Hello friends, how are you? So continue with the same chapter and the topic is about the prairies. So today we will take about the fauna. Now some of the animals and insects, those who are found in prairies that we will take today. Now many insects live off the plants like the beetle, spider, grasshopper, ant, earthworm in soil. So I don't think so this I have to explain it. This is the simple name of the insects and the name of the animals. So primary consumers are the smaller animal, prairies dog, deer, mice, jackrabbit, meadowlark, bison. Bison is a kind of a buffalo and many others. And bison is very famous in the North America as a buffalo. Survive because of burrowing, living and also speed. Next, here we can say the gophers, some kind of animals which lived under the mud. Okay, and the rabbit and hares. Next is the prairies dogs. This to be called as a prairies dog, that is not the that kind of a dogs which are living here in our country. This is the bison. And next is we will take environmental concern, like farming is the main occupation over there by the people. Flat ground with few trees, because trees, very tall trees are not over found here. You can find only the small grasses. Good soil is very good, very fertile soil over in North America and in the prairies. Dust storm is mostly occur in this area caused by plowing and wind. Because of the plogging and wind, the dust storm uh, uh, actually जो है वहाँ पर आते रहते हैं. Now hunting of animals, like hunting is especially with the buffalo. They hunt the buffalo and use in a different purposes. Next we will take about the velds. Velds is another kind of vegetation which are found in Africa. So the term welt sometimes spelled welt. Welt means T. T is also spelled out over here in English. Is a generic term used to define certain wide open rural space of South Africa. It is used in particular to refer to flatter area or dusty covered in grass or low scrub. Means to say this veld, that word is basically taken as a flat area to be called as veld in South Africa. Zimbabwe, Botswana and Namibia. A certain subtropical woodland uh, ecoregion of South Africa has been officially defined as bush veld by the Worldwide Fund for Nature. Now you can see over here, this is South Africa and this is the part where the veld grasslands are found. We go to the next slide, and climate of the veld is highly variable, means very much different in when we change the places, change the distance, the climate is also being changed over here. But its general pattern is mild winter from May to September and hot or very hot summer from November to March, because it is nearer to the equator. So summers is very hot with moderate or considerably variation in daily temperature and abundant sunshine, as because sun rays are directly falls on the equator and this area is near to the equator. So that is why sunshine is very clear. Moderate temperature, some places is having a moderate temperature, but the summers are very hot. Next, temperature is closely related to elevation. Temperature here is closely related with the, as we go to the above height, the temperature will change. We go to the come to the plains, temperature will change. In general, the mean July winter temperature range between winters is basically 45 degree Fahrenheit, means to say 7 degrees Celsius in the Lesotho highland and 16 degrees Celsius in the low velds, means to say in the plain area. January summers, here the January summers temperature range between 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius, means to say here the summer season is in the January. So we will continue in the next video session with the next topic. Thank you everyone.